In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to move your tabs using your Google Sheets mobile app. So if you're dealing with multiple tabs or sheets on one single spreadsheet and you want to quickly rearrange them, this is how you're going to do it. So in my example spreadsheet right here, I have about 5 sheets. And if I tap on them, there you go. There are 5 different sheets right here. And what I want to do right now, because they are not arranged properly, so we have sheet 1, sheet 5, sheet 4, 2, and 3. What I want to do is to arrange them in a way where I have my sheet number 1 at the rightmost part, and I have sheet 5 at the beginning here on the left side. So basically, I want this in descending order. I have sheet number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in that order, starting from the left side. So to quickly move your tabs in your iOS device, what you're going to do is to tap on that sheet you want to move. Then you can simply drag it to the position you want it in. There you have it. So I tap on it, drag it, and release. Next one, I'm going to do that with sheet number 4 right here. So I'm going to tap, drag, and release. There you have it. Now I have 2 more sheets to rearrange. So I'm going to go to sheet number 3, tap again, drag. There you go. And the last one, sheet number 2 or sheet number 1, I'm just going to tap and drag it to the end of my tabs. And there you have it. So now it's in the right order that I want. We have sheet number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. You can move your tabs using your iPhone. Now, unfortunately, if you try and do this in the Google Sheets app using an Android phone, you won't be able to do it. So these are dilemmas that we face every day when we're trying to deal with our files in different devices. There are some things that we can do on an Android device, but we can do on an iPhone, like data validation, and some things that we can do on an iOS device that we cannot do on an Android phone. But there you have it. That's the easiest way for you to move your tabs in the Google Sheets mobile app using your iPhone. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.